and take this phone. Come and take this phone. We'll remove one of these. Excess. Yes, please, respond.
The attention of the 8 branches of the MBA in Rivers State has been drawn to a resolution passed by the Rivers State House of Assembly on Wednesday, the 12th day of March 2025, directing the Department of State Security to investigate the Rivers State Chief Judge on allegations of falsification of age. It is quite unfortunate that despite the already heated polity in Rivers State, we are still experiencing escalations such as this. We recognize the constitutional powers and roles of the 3 arms of government in the state. We also recognize the need for these arms of government to work in synergy for the peace, progress, and development of the state. Thus, there is need for mutual respect amongst all the parties. We are not unaware of the existing political impasse between the legislature and the executive arms of government in Rivers State. However, we must caution that the judiciary should not be drawn into the ongoing imbroglio for no just cause. We reiterate that the independence of the judiciary is crucial to the sustenance of peace and stability in the state, as contending parties ultimately resort to the judiciary for the resolution of disputes, as has recently been witnessed at the Supreme Court. There is no need to escalate tensions, as the stability of Rivers State is crucial to the economy of the state and the country. We can easily recall the incidences in 2024 to 2025, which exposed the judiciary and judicial officers. 2014 to 2025 rather, which exposed 2014 to 2015, which exposed the judiciary and judicial officers that resulted in the closure of our courts. We cannot afford to experience a similar occurrence in the present times we find ourselves in the state, and especially for the interest of the good people of Rivers State to have their ongoing matters in court without interruptions. Every action in the public service has a prescribed procedure which all should respect and observe to forestall chaos and anarchy in the state. In the case of the judiciary, any complaint against one of its officers is dealt with by the National Judicial Council, which alone has the authority to carry out any disciplinary action or authorize any investigation against any judge. The role of security agencies is clearly defined, and they also must respect due process and work within the ambit of the law. It is therefore advised that the judiciary should not be intimidated into succumbing to blackmail, bullying, or political pressure in the discharge of their duties. The need for the protection of the judiciary cannot be overemphasized, as the judiciary remains the last hope of the common man, and indeed everyone, including politicians. We continue to appeal to all contenders to sheath their swords and genuinely seek peace in the interests of Rivers State and the economy of Nigeria at large.
There is a democratic process ongoing, and all parties should follow the democratic process. There is due process in the public service. There are laid down procedures for carrying out any action. And they are aware, they have lawyers in the House of Assembly. They also have lawyers on their retainer. So they should comply with the process. The National Judicial Council is the clearinghouse when it concerns the discipline of judges. Due process is followed. When there is a complaint against any individual, the person is also given the opportunity to be heard. The Constitution guarantees fair hearing. So when someone is accused, there should be an opportunity for the person to also respond, and a proper investigation to be done by the recognized body to do so.